For the last year, it feels like home prices have just been shooting way up, skyrocketing in the Phoenix area.
Well, and they have, but as interest rates have gone up, mortgage rates have gone up as well. And it's made buying a house a little less attractive. And now the housing market is starting to level off. Fox 10's Marissa Sarbak has more on what buyers and sellers can expect.
Yeah, guys, we've seen those interest rates go up about 2% since December. So, of course, naturally, we are going to see the housing market react to that. Experts in the housing market saying that we are seeing a slight shift or a slight cool down right now.
Many times when the market shifts, the first reaction is, oh, the sale prices are going to come down. But the reality is by the time sale prices respond to a shift, you're already late to the party.
From March of last year to March of this year, home prices in Phoenix rose 32.4% on average, according to data from the S&P Dow Jones Indices and CoreLogic. Tina Tambour, senior housing analyst at the Cromford Report, says we're likely still going to see prices rise, just not as aggressively as they've been rising.
We were seeing prices go up 3 and 4% over a month's period of time, which is extremely aggressive. You might see it go up 2 to 3% and then 1 to 2% and then 0 to 1%.
She says it isn't affecting every price point. Jessica and Brett Nelson are looking for homes in the $1 million range, and they have been for a while.
We've been looking in the Arizona, Phoenix, Scottsdale area for probably about 3 years. We started before the pandemic.
They live in Oklahoma City now, but they're hoping to make Phoenix home at least part-time.
We don't have to make a decision anytime super soon, but it's like, when do you make the decision? Because it's a really a good time.
A question many are asking themselves. This slow stabilization of the market really affects those looking in the $300,000 to $400,000 range, according to Tambour.
Short term is usually where people, what is my home going to be worth in a year? Well, if you're not going to sell it in a year, it doesn't matter. But there are these short-term investors that those are the people that will most likely get conservative as the market cools off.
And to clarify what Tina is saying there, she's not saying that we're switching from a seller's market to a buyer's market, but she is saying we're switching from an aggressive seller's market to maybe a more normal, stabilized seller's market. Live in Phoenix, Marissa Sarbak for Fox 10 News.